How to get started with JFrog Artifactory. What if every minute your development team spends fixing broken build pipelines or scrambling to find the right version of an artifact translates directly to slower patient care, delayed treatments, or missed opportunities to save lives? For healthcare organizations, this isn't just a productivity issue, it's a critical one. When lives are at stake, your technology must be seamless, and inefficiencies in managing artifacts can ripple across the entire organization. This is where the journey begins, the call to leave behind the chaos of scattered dependencies, slow builds, and compliance risks. The solution? JFrog Artifactory. It's a universal artifact repository manager that serves as a central hub for storing, managing, and distributing all your binaries and dependencies throughout the software development lifecycle. Today, we're going to explore how JFrog Artifactory can transform the way your healthcare organization operates, ensuring every build, every deployment, and every release is as efficient, secure, and reliable as possible. Imagine a world where your team never has to deal with lost artifacts, slow builds, or unexpected failures due to poor version control. Instead of troubleshooting the same issues repeatedly, your developers can focus on creating innovative solutions that drive better patient outcomes. The time saved means faster delivery of critical software updates and more reliable systems for everyone involved. You can make it happen today. Click the link in the description for your free implementation guide to see how JFrog Artifactory can transform your workflow. Healthcare organizations are navigating a maze of complexity. Every project involves managing artifacts, whether it's Docker containers for your applications, Python libraries for analytics, or version configurations for medical software. Without a central system, these artifacts end up scattered across multiple tools, local machines, or shared drives. The result? Slow builds, wasted time, and frequent deployment errors. Worse, compliance risks loom large. If an audit reveals gaps in how you manage or secure your binaries, the penalties can be steep, and the reputational damage even worse. Picture a scenario where developers accidentally deploy an outdated artifact, causing a downtime incident that disrupts patient services. It's not just inconvenient, it's potentially catastrophic. JFrog Artifactory is the answer to this chaos. It centralizes all your binaries, dependencies, and artifacts in one secure, scalable system. With support for over 30 package types, it's a universal repository manager designed to streamline your entire development pipeline. Your teams can access the exact artifacts they need, every time, thanks to Artifactory's caching of remote dependencies. No more waiting for downloads. It integrates seamlessly with CI/CD pipelines like Jenkins or GitLab, automating the artifact lifecycle from creation to deployment. It also ensures compliance with detailed metadata, version histories, and access controls. To get started with JFrog Artifactory, begin by choosing your deployment type, cloud-based for scalability and ease of maintenance, or self-hosted for complete control and customization. Next, set up your repositories. Create local repositories for internal artifacts, remote repositories to cache dependencies from external sources, and virtual repositories to consolidate access. Finally, integrate Artifactory with your CI/CD tools like Jenkins or GitLab to automate artifact management, ensuring seamless builds, deployments, and artifact retrieval across your workflows. Choosing not to act as consequences. Inefficiencies in artifact management lead to slower delivery cycles, putting projects behind schedule and patient care at risk. Non-compliance with regulations like HIPAA or SOC 2 could result in audits, penalties, or legal consequences. In a worst-case scenario, a loss of critical artifacts or deployment errors could cause downtime, damaging trust with patients and stakeholders. Without a solution, your team's frustrations will grow. They'll waste hours firefighting instead of innovating, morale will drop, and turnover could increase. All of this adds up to a significant business cost that far exceeds the investment in Artifactory. Choosing to implement JFrog Artifactory is a game-changer for healthcare organizations. With dependencies cached locally, build times are significantly reduced, allowing your development teams to focus on creating solutions that directly impact patient outcomes. A centralized repository ensures all artifacts are easily accessible, reducing delays and miscommunications between teams. This streamlined collaboration boosts morale, as developers can concentrate on innovation instead of firefighting recurring issues. Moreover, automated artifact management eliminates manual errors, ensuring that every build and deployment is accurate and reliable. The result is a faster, more consistent software delivery process that aligns with the urgent needs of healthcare. Beyond operational improvements, adopting JFrog Artifactory strengthens your organization's security and compliance posture. Built-in access controls and traceability ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive artifacts, reducing the risk of breaches or data mishandling. Detailed metadata and version histories provide audit-ready records, helping you stay compliant with regulations like HIPAA or SOC 2. By optimizing your CI/CD pipelines and centralizing artifact management, your organization gains a competitive edge, delivering software updates faster and more reliably than ever before. This not only protects your reputation, but also positions your team as a trusted innovator in patient care. For healthcare organizations, the stakes couldn't be higher. Every delay in your development process, every artifact management failure, and every compliance issue represents a risk to patient care, legal standing, and operational efficiency. Each inefficiency can cascade into greater disruptions, from delayed treatments to compromised data security. The longer these issues persist, the harder it becomes to maintain trust with patients, stakeholders, and regulatory bodies. Taking action now ensures you're not just building better software, you're supporting the critical systems that patients and providers rely on. Now's the time to eliminate inefficiencies, reduce risk, and empower your team to deliver with confidence. Click the link in the description to download your free implementation guide and start leveraging the power of JFrog Artifactory. By taking this step, you're not just improving your workflows, you're building a foundation for innovation and reliability in patient care. Don't wait for the next compliance audit or deployment failure to act. Take control of your artifact management today. Your team and your patients deserve the best.